So I go to college in Tokyo, Japan, and in line with all of your, definitely not mine, disgusting weeb fantasies, the university has a bunch of clubs. So I was thinking hiking's kind of cool. I watched that one cute hiking anime that one time, you know, nice and chill. That anime is about camping. After missing my train to get there, sleeping over in a creepy hotel, and hiking for 8 hours on the first day, we made it to the camp. Come at me, bitch. For day 2, we had to get up at 2 a.m. So we hiked up, took a wrong path, had to go back down, which was a little bit scary because it was a, not that great of a path. It was kind of steep. Rocks were kind of tumbling down, but it was okay. We managed to do it. The leader made the right decision to turn back. Anyway, the hike commenced, and bro, it was pretty, but my God, around hour 7, this shit got so painful. Genuinely one of the most tiring experiences of my life. And we still had like 3 or 4 hours to go. And at this point, I could not do anything except for like just turn off my brain and focus on breathing and walking. Stop it. And I low-key just skipped time. Like as if I were scrolling reels, I just skipped time. And all of a sudden, boom, I woke up. There was 1 hour left of hiking. So let me explain a little bit how this hike worked. So we go up, big up. Summit 3 peaks. One of them was the second tallest in Japan. And then we go back down, big down, long, big down. So we were like here. So we get to the camp, set up camp. It starts thundering and storming again so hard that we had to use the campsite's like safe house thing. So we went inside. We were all wet. The Icelandic dude was missing and we weren't sure if he knew where the house is. So I run back out into the storm because I need to feed my hero complex, and I look for him and I didn't find him, so I had to come back. And so one of the other girls went back out, but she had rain gear in contrast to me, which was really stupid for me because now I was just wet. So I changed my shirt, but my waterproof pants weren't so waterproof anymore after that much rain. So I looked at the other members and they were like, yo, take them off. And I was like, bro, I got nothing but underwear under here. And then they were like, doesn't matter, you should take them off and get under this kotatsu, which is this thing. It's like a warm underneath the table with a little heater. Anyway, you get under the, and you get it. I'll show you a picture here. Look, and point is, I was not feeling that idea. There were 3 girls there, bro. And I didn't want to be the only dude in underwear. And so I had hoped that the Icelandic dude who had changed earlier and was also in his underwear would also still be in his underwear. But alas, he walked in with shorts on. So there I was, pants wet and honor on the line, and I knew that it's only weird if I make it weird. So I took them off and I got under the kotatsu. And my God, the kotatsu was amazing. I don't know if it was because I didn't have pants on, but I did repeatedly ask the Icelandic dude, I'm gonna call him Bert from now on, if he could take off his shorts in solidarity. He laughed and then refused. And so eventually the storm let up. I ran out and got my shorts from the tent and put them on. And I got back, and one of the girls asked me, so you got shorts? As if I was insecure about being in underwear. Which I was, bro. And I was like, yeah. And in that moment, I knew I failed at being nonchalant. I made it weird. Take your pants off. Anyway, we cooked. It was fun. The leader broke the pasta in half. I'm not Italian, but I am a European citizen, so that was pretty hard to watch. But the food was good. Anyway, we went to bed and got up at 1:30 a.m. this time and started hiking in. And my God, it's a vibe to hike in the middle of the night like that. You get to see the stars super clearly. We got to see the sunrise with Mount Fuji there. It was amazing. Me and the Icelandic dude started to, hang back a little bit because the hike did have a pace and we wanted to enjoy the scenery a little bit more. Me and Bert, right? I decided to call him Bert. So we hiked and summited the last peak, and then we started the descent on that day, which was pretty tough. But at this point, I was having a lot of fun with the other members, just talking and making fun of stuff and suffering together. Oh. So again, after like 12 hours of hiking, the last 9 of which were all down, which was more difficult in case you didn't know. It's like doing 1,000 reps of the same exercise. Anyway, the reward was great because we went to like an onsen, which was my first onsen experience, and I was clinging to Bert, bro. Well, not, not like actually physically, because we were naked, but I mean, like, I was like, yo, bro, you need to teach me how this shit works, because I'm not used to being like naked with other people in a public bath, But he did. I think we were all just so tired, and I was so tired as well that I didn't actually care. There was a view of the mountain we just hiked. Man, that was an amazing reward for that hard hike.
Better than me.
Fuck off! We then went to a local restaurant. I had some honey pizza. So yeah, thanks for watching. As for the people coming from my other channel, I am cooking up more aviation content, so sit tight. I just felt that I wanted to try some new things as well. But I have not stopped making aviation content, so just, it's coming. Right, see you. Bye.